Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or activate or perhaps turn off the badges mode feature on YouTube if you don't want to earn badges or maybe you do. So depending on your channel achievements, you may earn badges and you get little notifications about them. So if you want to turn that off on the app, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Once you've done that, there should become a gear icon visible in the top right. Select that. Underneath Account, select where it says General. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath Earn Badges. Receive badges across all YouTube apps. Right now it's in the on position. If you want to turn it off, just toggle to the left. So just click inside of it one time to turn that oval to the off position. And that is all you have to do. So now it's been turned off. Again, if you want to enable it, click inside of here one more time, and now it has been turned on and the changes have been saved. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.